The average fleet fuel economy of auto manufacturers would need to hit nearly 60 mpg by 2032, a move that may force OEMs to provide more electric vehicles. A new proposal on fleet fuel economy by the National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration and NHTSA is entering into public comment and, while not directly mandating electric vehicles, like the Ford F-150 Lightning, it may force OEMs to produce more than they currently do. Both the Biden administration and the NHTSA say the new fuel economy rule would save consumers over $50 billion and reduce U.S. dependence on oil by billions of gallons more. How will the proposed new economy numbers work out between now and 2032? And how quickly will the OEMs need to hit nearly 60 mpg across their entire light-duty vehicle fleet right now? This is just a proposal by the NHTSA and not a requirement for the OEMs just yet. The most recent corporate average fuel economy CAFE, aka the fleet fuel economy target, is still 49 mpg. By 2026, the new proposal states that starting in 2027, auto manufacturers would need to hit 58 mpg by 2032 with a 2% per year improvement in fleet fuel economy for cars and 4% per year improvement for trucks. Commercial vehicles, or as the NHTSA classifies them, heavy-duty pickups and vans, or HDPUVs, with a gross vehicle weight above 8,500 pounds, but less than 14,001 pounds, would need to produce a 10% improvement in fuel economy, starting in model year 2030 and ramping up through model year 2035. HDPUV fleet averages are also calculated differently than light-duty vehicles, in which they are classified by the gallons used per 100 miles instead of miles per gallon of fuel. The expectation is that, by 2035, HDPUVs will potentially use only 2.638 gallons 100 miles, following that 10% improvement curve proposed in this new fleet fuel economy rule. The proposal does not outright ban ICE-powered vehicles in either category, as some would fear. It instead encourages the OEMs to use all available technologies, from alternative fuels to hybrid technologies to, of course, electrification, including hybrid vehicles, while any new technologies will cost more initially. And NHTSA doesn't take that pricing into account. What it does factor in is the savings at the fuel pump and the reduction from tailpipes over the life of these vehicles under the new proposal. According to the administration, the new CAFE proposal would save owners collectively more than $50 billion over the lifetime of their vehicle, reduce U.S. dependence on oil by 88 billion gallons through 2050, and reduce CO2 emissions by more than 900 million tons. That last note, as pointed out by the NHTSA, would be the equivalent of taking more than 233 million cars off the road between 2022 and 2050. We'll see where the proposal lands after the public comment period in a couple of months.